Hey guys, well, it's only November and it turns out my Christmas presents have come early. Now, there's some pretty special things in these two boxes here. Come from overseas. Been working on getting them and excited now for a very long time. And well, without giving it all away, it's going to be a great new project and a great series of videos here on Nev's Garage. So, hey, if this is your first time joining us, now's the time to hit that subscribe button. And also toggle on the little bell, that way you'll be notified when our next video drops. And also, be ready for this sick new series. Now what's in these boxes? Well, I'm about to open them and find out. So, let's check it out. Well, have you figured it out yet? What all this cool stuff is? Well, those of you who follow the EA82 community along on the internet probably already know, but for those of you that don't, what these are EA82 twin cam 4-valve cylinder heads. I know, right? Oh, did I mention twin spark? How cool is that? Now, the story behind these heads, right? These were custom designed and cast in New Zealand by a company called Autoflight. Now, they were basically a prototype design, never really put into proper production because the EA82 engine was deemed not really suitable for light aircraft just because of the complexity with overhead cams and belts and all the accessories required. So it didn't really go much further, but some of the stock has been sold off throughout the years. However, the creator kept the cream of what he had for himself, and I've been able to negotiate these heads from him. Isn't that cool? And I'm super excited because the amount of engineering and R&D that's gone into this head to all this stuff is just unreal. These have actually been used on one of his personal engines. I mean, all of this stuff is custom. It's custom water pumps, custom oil pumps and oil pump drives, oil coolers, fuel rails, injector stubs, water pump adapters, of course 4 custom camshafts because it's now a quad cam, custom buckets, all custom timing gears, pulleys, all that sort of stuff, even custom head studs. It's unreal. Some of this stuff I'm going to be able to use, other stuff I'm going to have to manufacture and adapt for, you know, automotive application, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to get these motor vehicle ready and into my vortex. Don't get me wrong, it's going to be a long project. All the more reason for you to subscribe and follow along. It's going to be great, and I can't wait to when we turn the key the first time and we can look back on this moment, see all these loose bits in my garage and see how far we come. So I'm going to get stuck into it. I can't wait to start, and that's it guys. Please follow along, and here we go.